Good morning, dear children. Welcome to you in today's lecture of English. Dear student, in today's lecture, we are going to discuss the question answers of poem Matilda, which we have done in previous lectures. So, students, just take out your notebook and your book. So, let's get ready to complete the question answers in your notebook. So, student, I have given you homework to write the word meaning in your notebook. I hope you have done the word meaning which is given on your book page number 36. Now, let me discuss the question answers. So, just take out your book and open your page, book page number 38. So, here you can see the first question. Answer these questions. Support each answer with a line from the poem. Here we have to just reply. We have to write the answer of each question, and as well as any supporting lines we have to just take out from that poem which is relates or give the or which is relates to that answer. So let me start. So here you can see the first question is given. Which incident made the aunt realize that Matilda was a liar? Which incident made the aunt realize? कौन सा ऐसा इंसिडेंट हुआ था जिसकी वजह से मटिल्डा की आंट को यह रियलाइज हुआ था कि मटिल्डा एक लायर है. So let us see. Here you can see I have written the answers on the board. Matilda was a liar. Her aunt realized the fact when Matilda called the brigade for fun. As I explained you in the poem that once when she was getting too much bored, so for making just fun, what she had done, she called fire brigade. Fire brigade को बुलाती है. Then here so you can write the answer. Matilda was a liar. Her aunt realized the fact when Matilda called the brigade for fun, and the lines relates to the answer, and that is the evil very nearly killed her and would have done so had not she discovered this infirmity. So student, you can write this answer in your copy. Now let us see the next question. The next question is, what happened to the aunt's pictures because of Matilda's lie? What happened to the aunt's picture? Aunt's की pictures के साथ क्या हुआ था? When Matilda tell a lie, जब Matilda ने lie बोला था या झूठ बोला था. So let us see here answer. Matilda's lies caused her aunt's collection of pictures to be needlessly sprayed with water, as there was no need to spray any water because there was no fire burnt. But as a fun, she called a fire brigade, and as soon as the fire brigade squad came there, they started to spray the water on the pictures, whether it was not necessary to spray. So student, you can just write down the answer. Matilda's lies caused her aunt's collection of pictures to be needlessly sprayed with water, and the lines which relates to the answer, and that is aunt took peculiar pains to souse the pictures up and down the house, and took peculiar pains to souse the pictures up and down the house. Now let me see the next question. What did Matilda's aunt do to make the men go away? What she has done when she want to just, what did Matilda's aunt do to make the men go away? What she has done when the fire brigade men came into the house to spray the water or to make just help of the Matilda. So what she has done for the men, that they went away from the home. So here you can write down the answer. Matilda's aunt had to pay the firefighter to make them go away. The Matilda's aunt had to pay. She had to pay to the fire brigade. Fire brigade को उन्हें pay करना पड़ा because as there was no need to spray the water or fire brigade squad at Matilda's house, but as they came for their duty, so that's why she had to pay the money for the firefighter. So student, you can just write down the answer here. Matilda's aunt had to pay the firefighter to make them go away. So and the lines which relates to the answer, and that is, and even then she had to pay to get the man go away. So just copy down this answer. Now let me see the next question. What is given? Did Matilda make the phone call just for fun? Did she know it was wrong to make the telephone call? Yes, obviously. Matilda made the phone call for just fun. Fun के लिए, अपनी मस्ती के लिए उसने कॉल किया था किसे? फायर ब्रिगेड को. Then the next question is, did she know it was wrong to make that telephone call? Yes, she made the phone call just for fun. No, she didn't know it was wrong to make that phone call. No, she didn't know. उसे नहीं पता था कि ऐसा कुछ सीवियर हो जाएगा या रियल में फायर ब्रिगेड आ जाएगी. So here you can write the answer. No, she didn't know it was wrong to make that telephone call. So students, just copy down this answer with you in your notebook. I repeat it once again. The first answer, Matilda was a liar. Her aunt realized the fact when Matilda called the brigade for fun. And the lines related to this answer is the effort very nearly killed her and would have done so had not she discovered this infirmity. Now the next answer, Matilda's lies caused her aunt collection of pictures to be needlessly sprayed with water and took papillon pens to his house. The pictures up and down the house. Now the next one, Matilda's aunt had to pay the firefighter to make them go away, and even then she had to pay to get the pen to go away. You can write this answer. Now the last one, the fourth one answer is yes, she made the phone call for just fun, and no, she didn't know it was wrong to make that. She didn't know it was wrong to make that telephone call. So I hope students you have completed the answers with you. Now let me see the next questions. Now, let me write the fifth one answer. Fifth one question is, what is the fifth one question? Were all Matilda's lie harmless? क्या सारे मटिल्डा के जो भी वो lie बोलती थी सारे harmless थे? Which lines tell you so? No, not all Matilda's lie were harmless. जितने भी वो lie बोलती थी वो harmless थे क्या? No. Matilda told such a dreadful lie it made our gasp and stretches one eyes. We can see that one of the lie had been told by the Matilda when she called fire brigade, and we could say that it's not any harmless lie, है ना? ये कोई harmless lie नहीं है, it's harmful lie. So here we can write no. Copy down the answer with you. No, not all of Matilda's lie were harmless. And which line support it? Here we can write Matilda told such dreadful lies it made one gasp and stretches one eyes and stretches one's eyes. So student, you will just note it down this answer, the last fifth one answer. No, not all the Matilda's lies were harmless, and the lines support to it. Matilda told such dreadful lies it made one gasp and stretches one eye. Now the last one question. Find 5 words that indicate noise and speech. So here from the poem we have to just find out the 5 words that indicate noise and speech. So the words that indicates noise and that are roaring, cheers, next screams, ball, and shouting. So these are the this one is the last answer: roaring, cheers, screams, ball, and shouting. So I hope student you have done this answer with you. Now let me see. Let I repeat the answer once again. The fifth one: no, not all the Matilda's lies were harmless. question, question number C. You can see the questions belongs to the think and answer is given on the same page. The first one question is, did Matilda deserve to die? क्या मटिल्डा मरने के लिए डिजर्व करती थी? रियली शी हैज टू बी die? How would you end this poem? No, she didn't deserve to die. So what we can say, no, she didn't deserve die. क्या वो सिर्फ मतलब what we can say कि after this poem what we could say कि वो उसे मरना चाहिए था क्या? After when the fire was burned, as we have seen, the first of all she called people, or she called fire brigade for just making fun. But next time it was a real incident which was happened with her. Next time में वो real incident उसके साथ हुआ था. But इसका ये मतलब तो नहीं है कि उसकी जान चली जाए उसमें. So here we can write the answer, no, she didn't deserve to die. Now the next one question, inspired by British cheers and loud proceeding from the frenzied crowd, they ran their ladders to a score of windows on the ballroom folder. How is the fire brigade described? So by this line, how the fire brigade described? Fire brigade को किस तरह से describe किया गया है? Do you think that they deserve such praise? So what do you think? Really they deserve to such praise? The fire brigadier seems too excited. So here we can write, the fire brigadier seems too excited. Question number C. First answer, no, she didn't deserve to die. Next, second, the fire brigadier seems too excited. They came in a very cheerful manner to put out the fire. And last one answer, here I am writing, no one should tell a lie, because whenever we need someone help that no one come to help us. So let us repeat the answer once again. In the second question, how is the fire brigade described? How is the fire brigade described? The fire brigadier seems too excited. The fire brigadier, they seems too excited. बहुत ज़्यादा excited दिखाई दे रहे थे. And they came in a very cheerful manner to put out the fire. And they came in a very cheerful manner to put out the fire. फायर को बुझाने के लिए वो बहुत ही एक्साइटेड या चेयरफुल मैनर में आए थे. Now the next question is, what do you learn from this poem? What do you learn from this poem? That no one should tell a lie, because whenever we need someone help, that time no one come to help us. किसी को भी झूठ नहीं बोलना चाहिए, because whenever we really need to someone, so that time no one comes to help us. So here student, the question answers of this lesson have been done. I hope you have have completed it in your notebook. Now we will meet you in next video. Till then, take care and bye bye.